Should you make manga alone or should you make manga with a team? So personally, I feel like that is a question that hasn't been attempted to be answered, or people haven't found a clear answer to. So in this video, I'll be trying to answer that question. You better stick around, make sure you make it all the way to the end, because that's when I'll reveal the answer to the question. If you don't know who I am, my name is Olusiano Exai. I'm the creator and artist of the series Fatal Blow. And if you want to know about the series, make sure you check out the channel, or you can click the link down in the description and read the manga and tell me what you think by leaving a review, or you comment down on this video. Please, at the end of this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps a lot. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste any more time, so I'm gonna just get right into it. Working solo and working with a team are two different paths that a person who tries to make a manga takes. We all know that. So yeah, working solo has the advantages. Like, you have full creative freedom, meaning that there's no one else. It's just you with your ideas, and you can come up with anything. You can put it down on paper. You can start scribbling or all that good stuff. There are no creative conflicts, meaning that there won't be like a clash of ideas, whereas one person agrees on this idea and the other disagrees with this idea. So you have all the time. You have it's all on you. Like, there's no one else. It's just you. And also you also have a flexible schedule, meaning that you can start working anytime you feel like it, any time of the day, as long as you get your work done. And also, you have all the credit, all the credit goes to you. Another thing about working solo is that working solo has its own disadvantages. It's very time consuming. You make the manga on your own, but it takes a lot of time, because you're gonna have to deal with the character designs, you're gonna deal with the script, you're gonna have to deal with the backgrounds, the tones, everything. And you have to do both the writing of the story, and also you have to do the art of the story. And also, there's a burnout risk, meaning there's a high chance that you might get exhausted from all that work. Like, you can literally spend hours, maybe making a chapter. So yeah, if that's how it is. And also, there's slow production. Like I just said, it could take hours into making a chapter. Another thing of working solo is that there is no immediate feedback. So yeah. So XI, what about a team? Advantages of working as a team is that work is shared amongst people. So one person works on this and the other works on that. And yeah, for example, me and my writer, I work, as you can tell, I work on the art. I draw the pages, all the art, character design. I draw the pages, and I do all the backgrounds, anything that involves art. And while he writes the script, he also sometimes fills out the character descriptions, because most of 9 times out of 10, I'm the one who's focusing on the character descriptions and all that stuff. Then I should take it to him. Then he works on that. After getting the character description, he checks it out. Then he writes the story based on the characters and their descriptions. And there's also a thing about working with a team is that there's fast production, meaning a chapter could be done in a few hours if there's consistent work. And also different talents are combined. Get a better artist and get a better writer, and what do you get at the end? A magnificent story. And there's also less burnout. But the disadvantages of working with a team is that there's creative conflict. Okay, because people might disagree with each other's ideas, so that in order to find a proper one for the story, so they might disagree. Like me and my writer, Another example, sorry, because that's what's going on between me and my writer sometimes. Because recently we disagreed on some ideas on some character designs, and I said like, don't worry about the art, you just worry about the story and all that stuff. So yeah, another thing about the disadvantage of working with a team is that there's scheduling problems, meaning that some people might be slow or lazy, like my writer, who might have their own thing. They might be busy with something else, which I totally get. But sometimes they have a thing of what should you call this? They have a thing of just delaying for the sake of delaying, so they don't immediately get the work done if you want the work to be done. And another thing is there's shared credit. There's shared credit, meaning that yeah, you get all of you guys, the team gets the credit, and communication is required because one person could do this and the other person could do that. Long story short, they could do something that doesn't align with the story, which can create a problem. And another thing is that there's team breakups, meaning one person quits and the group or the team suffers a heavy damage because they just lost one of their companions. Solo is best for people who want full control and personal storytelling, while teams are best for people who want faster production and stronger collaborations. So the answer to the question, should you make manga alone or make manga with a team? The answer to that question is it's up to you. It's up to you whether you want to work solo or you want to work with a team. I'm not sure if I made sense with this entire video, but I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. So the answer is it's up to you which path you want to take, because at the end of the day, the work is being done. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you can possibly in the description down below. Make sure you check that out. My manga is available to read on Global Comics, so make sure you leave a review or again comment on the video. And yeah, this is Luciano XI, and I'm out.